YouTubers, today we got a special treat and we only need 2 ingredients, 3 if you count the prep stuff, just to help it not stick. What we're going to make is heart-shaped chocolates with peanut butter in the middle, so basically homemade Reese Pieces. All you're going to need is a mold. I like heart-shaped, so that's why I have this one, but you can use whatever kind of mold you want. Just make sure it's a little bit deep enough so you can layer the chocolate, peanut butter, and then chocolate again. Get chocolate. I like using the bark because it's just really easy to melt. Your choice of peanut butter. And Baker's Joy, they kind of spray and keep it from like, just making it easy stick, just come out. I like using silicone because you can just, it's really easy to pop it out, And maybe a rag in case you have like a mess. I know it's cute. I do not know a better Valentine. I know it's Valentine's Day is over, but it's good to have inspiration on Christmas kitchen things. But Christmas things can be your inspiration. Okay, let's get started. Gonna fry some chocolate. No, not frying. That does sound good though. We're going to break the chocolate. This is super easy. Ugh. Once you break it. Easy to make, it's just acquire the things. Gonna put it on medium and just keep it moving. I might do it like in between. Gonna use my wooden spoon and just kind of keep twirling it. And we'll come right back once it's melted. Okay, it's almost done. I didn't realize that light was like doing a glare, so sorry, but I fixed it. I just have to fix that, but there we go. Get that chocolate melted, just got a little bit left. I'll get it! Kidding, I don't know if that would burn it, but that's my excuse to use this. Burn, baby, burn! Burn, baby, burn! No, don't burn, don't burn, don't burn. It's not burning. I just want to say a quick thank you to all my new subscribers and just say hi and thank y'all. Okay, we're almost done. So, what we're going to do is once it's done, I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit so it's not as hot. So the parts that are melted don't like cook. Okay, so now I'm going to take our Baker's Joy and coat it. It's a mixture of butter and flour, so it helps it just not stick. I'm going to do a teaspoon to half teaspoon ratio. Okay, so just move that a little bit. And just going to put that in and just go like that. And just kind of get those two. That's what the rag's for. Get our peanut butter. Scoop some of that peanut butter in there. There you go. Get that. And then you do that. Just plop it in. Okay. Get your spoon. Get some more chocolate and coat it on top. It's okay if it touches the peanut butter. You just kind of like dab it. And just, my only fear when I first did this was the peanut butter just going all the way through, but I didn't have it happen last time. Hopefully it won't happen this time. It kind of just stays in the middle, and I'm just kind of like dabbing it, just kind of smooth it out. It's okay to touch it, and it's okay to have some peanut butter move to the surface. It's still going to be good, Okay, now I'm going to show you a close-up view of how this is done. That's some good peanut butter. Okay. Close-up view. Boop, 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 boop. Just kind of like moving around. It's okay. Oops. Sorry for the shakiness. Then it's boop, boop, boop. It's okay to use your hands. Maybe a little bit more peanut butter. I like it peanut buttery. Put that there. And now we're going to add the top coat. This is making me hungry. And it's okay. Like, see how this one's kind of going over? It's okay. You kind of could just move it around. And then, like, when it freezes, you know, you kind of could just peel that off. Kind of like nail polish when you go off the edge of your finger. You know? It'll be okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish these up. And then we're going to stick it in the freezer. And then once it hardens, I'll show you what it looks like when we cut it open. And maybe melt it. Oh, I can't quite get peanut butter over my hands. But I'll see y'all in a second. Okay. Oh gosh. As you can see, they're all ready. And it's okay, like some of you see the peanut butter on top. You know, this is going to be the bottom. All you really got to worry about is how the top's going to look. And they're going to be yummy. And you know, this is a really cool thing to kind of just, you can eat, you know, yourself, or you can like randomly give to people, put in like little goodie bags. You know, just whatever. It's like a really nice personal touch that's super easy. It only took those 3 chunks of chocolate and like a few tablespoons of peanut butter. You could have like this much, like not even enough to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Like, oh, what am I gonna do with peanut butter? Like, I will make some candies. Just gotta get some chocolate if you have chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the freezer and then we're gonna see what it looks like once they're cooked. There it is, found it. There we go. Okay, so while we wait for that, I just, you know, got them on protection wear. There we go. You know, I'm really excited about cooking with this. I got this for Christmas. And I'm like, oh no, I undid it. Technically, you can do it like this. But you can like cock it like that. And I think, you know, in the subscriptions, I don't know why I'm talking like that. Y'all want like, you know, blowtorch challenge. You know, like maybe suggest something that you can cook with this. Or like try cook grilled cheese with this. Like something that could be like normally called for or not. You know, as long as it's something that requires heat. Like I won't like say ice cream and then say blowtorch. Because I don't like make like bacon Alaskan. That's really, 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 really hard. I'm not quite that level yet. Okay, we'll be back when it cooks, cold cooks, solidifies, when it solidifies. Okay, let's check them. Yep, they're hard. Oh, look how cute. This one came out really pretty. I'll take out an ugly one so I can kind of show you how to fix it. It's a little slippery. There it goes, just pops out. See? You just have like a little extra, you can just peel it. Yum. And just, there you go, just all the extra just comes off really easy. You're not gonna mess it up. Yay! Let's chop it up. There we go. And there's the peanut butter. Ooh, see? You kind of can control like how thick you want the chocolate when you first put it in, and there's your shell. And then the top part, well, top to us when we were putting it in is really the bottom, and that's a little bit thinner. So voila, it is homemade Reese's. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have fun.